My name is Ferdinand Cynthia Chidera, and this is my monologue. I didn't plan to fall for you. It just happened in the little things. The way you listen when I talk, like what I'm saying actually matters. The way you show up, even when it's not convenient. The way you notice the things that I don't even say out loud. You made me feel safe. And that's rare for me because I've learned how to protect myself, to not expect too much. So, yeah, maybe I'm scared, but I'm also sure. So, if I'm still here, if I'm still choosing you, even with all that fear, just know it means something. Thank you.